Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Here in this article, we will talk about the Dead Island 2 error code 0x0015, which reads, "The connection to your session has been lost." As per our research, the error mainly comes when users try to play co-op on Dead Island 2, but the game kicks them out after a few minutes with this error. We also have found that the error is quite common with the Xbox. According to our research, this is a network-related issue. It is possible that your network is not working or something in your network environment is conflicting with the game. In case you are sure that the network is not the issue, then probably game servers are down or facing some problem. Now let's talk about some fixes for the Dead Island 2 error code 0x0015. Fix 1. Restart your device along with internet. Our first advice for you will be to shut down your gaming device along with your internet, then wait for around 5 minutes and restart everything. At last, check if the error still continues. As we have mentioned previously, most of the time the error is related to connection interruptions which can happen because of any temporary glitches with your devices. In those cases, restarting your system can help resolve the issue. Fix 2. Try using manual DNS. If you tried restarting your device but it is not helping, then try using manual DNS under your device network settings. During our research, we found one user on Reddit who shared that using the manual DNS was the solution for him, so we will also suggest you to try the same for yourself. Fix 3. Switch over a different network. If you also tried using manual DNS but the error is still coming, then try connecting over an alternate network to check if this is your network that is causing the issue. In case you do not have any alternate Wi-Fi connection, then you can consider connecting over a mobile hotspot connection. If connecting over the alternate network is fixing the issue, then the issue lies with your internet and you should try troubleshooting it. In case you do not have any clue what could be wrong, then reach out to your ISP to report the problem. Fix 4. It is server-side issue. If the error is also coming over other internet connections, then probably the issue is related to the game servers, and you should wait for a couple of hours before trying again. You can also consider reaching out to the official Twitter account to check if there is any recent server announcement. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.